What's going on, man? Y'all see the kid back with another video, you feel me? If y'all been rocking with me, y'all already know what this place is, man. When I pull up here, y'all know what's going on, bro. I'm finna get me some parts, you feel me? You already know. Mechanical door for my Z28 Camaro, feel me? Bringing back that door so I can get the electric, because the car already got an electric door, you feel me? Hey, I might be getting my fenders and my bumper, so the car gonna look like a real car, you feel me? So man, yeah, just tune in. Alright, so for the new subscribers that subscribe to my channel, man, I'm building a 3rd gen Z28. If you don't know what that is style, oh, they got a mold in there still, and the car. But it's that body style, y'all. You feel me? Building one of those, of course I'm going boosted. I'm LS swapping, so I'm building the motor and I'm starting from scratch. So starting from a shell just like this. If y'all seen my videos, oh, this bitch got a center console. Yeah, so I'm basically starting. Oh, that bitch got black carpet too, and the panels. I'm looking at everything. But yeah, man, I don't got none of this. I don't got carpet, I don't got the center console, I don't got a dash steering wheel, none of that. So yeah, man, started from scratch. It's probably gonna be my last and only car I do like this, because it's kind of a headache, but not really. But yeah, man, so thank everybody for subscribing. Thank all my old subscribers for rocking with me. Like, y'all seen, man, I came a long way when it came to this YouTube, man. I had 9 subscribers, or really had 8, and I had got that 9, you feel me? So thank everybody for rocking with me, especially my day ones, and everybody that be still watching my videos, you know what I'm saying, still commenting and everything, still liking. Thank you, man, you feel me? But let's go on and get this stuff. Hey, my door back there. Fender door. Man, got my 4th gen door. Man, it took all day. This is the door for my 4th gen Camaro. This is the door for the Z28. Both of my fenders for the Z28. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, so as y'all see, I done grabbed my stuff. It took all day. I did not want to film that because it took all day, but I got a little bit on what I did. Of course, the 4th gen door came off of this. It's hella crazy to me how they the same color, even though I'm a color match to the specific vehicle. But yeah, man, that's all I was doing, man, just picking up my parts. And of course, I'm gonna drop a video of me installing my doors. Yeah, the doors on probably the 4th gen and the Z28. But until next time, man, if y'all like the video, please leave a like. If you ain't subscribed, you gotta subscribe to keep up with the channel. Hit that notification so you don't miss nothing. Then look, when y'all subscribe, y'all like, y'all comment, y'all help me grow, you feel me? Then when I get that moolah, I could be dropping even more content faster than what I'm doing now, you feel me? So yeah, man, until next time, I'm out.